Goofus. I think you are a Goofus. Hey, so, what does Daddy do for work? Where does Dad work? At the farm? Do you like going to the farm? Do you like going to the farm?
No.
You don't?
Yeah.
You do?
No.
You don't?
No reading time.
Oh, all done? No more reading time?
Oh, Mom, reading time.
What does Mommy do for work? What do I do? Hey, Jefferson. What do I do during the day? You're a silly boy, huh? Does Mommy work? Can you show me your muscles? Oh, look at those muscles. You got big muscles.